fams, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. So today I am going to be giving you guys a clean and decorate with me for the spring, early summer. The way that my home is decorated now is the way that it's going to be, and I'm not touching it until fall. So let's go ahead and get the cleaning and get into this video. So this little area right here that you saw, the little green spot, I was decorating the fireplace and there was some green foam that was in the bag, and it fell out all on the carpet, and so I needed to just vacuum it and also get this rug cleaned so that my rug will be nice and fresh and clean for the spring summer season. I didn't go over the entire rug because it doesn't need cleaning, but just that one little spot that was so like stained with the green, and I was hoping and praying that it would come out, and thank God that it did. So now I am just going ahead and running the shampooer over it, and this shampooer, you guys, is absolutely incredible. I love it so much. It got all the stains out and more. So enjoy this clean with me and decorate with me video, you guys, and I'll pop back in a little bit. So as you can see here, I'm kind of switching out my florals. I took my greenery from my white console table and put it over to the other side of the room. And now I'm kind of just separating these white florals and putting them in this jar because I'm just trying to make the space lighter, especially since my fireplace mantle is like bam in your face. So I'm trying not to add too much. I don't want to overstimulate the senses, and I think it looks good. Knowing me though, I'll probably go around the house and take some things away, or add some, not add, but take some things away. But I think for now, everything looks good. It looks springy and it looks fresh. I didn't want to add any more color to the space because the mantle itself is enough color for me. And so I thought that this looked really nice, and it feels like spring. You guys, please excuse the sounds, the noise in the background. That is Nyla. She's upstairs in her bedroom, so if you can still hear her, I do apologize. Guys, I want to give you this hack, this tip, design tip. Coffee table books are super expensive. We know this, right? So what I did was I ordered some Restoration Hardware catalogs. They're completely free. I ordered a bunch of them and I used them here on my coffee table because, you know, I didn't want to spend $30-40 on a coffee table book. Can you imagine how many coffee table books you would have to literally buy to make your coffee table or just anywhere in your home just looks nice? So this is my hack for you. Restoration Hardware or any home decor store catalog that you love, go ahead and order them. They are free. They will ship them to you within 2 to 3 weeks, and you can use them to decorate your space. So I thought these, floral arrangements was just way too much. It was like overly stimulating for me. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the baby breaths out and just leave the white jar. I think I might actually like just take a lot of stuff away in a little bit. I don't know. It seems like it's a lot going on in one space, but you let me know down below if you think the space is overly decorated. I wasn't trying to do it overly, to over decorate or anything, but I just wanted the space to feel cozy and cottagey and warm. My family loves it, so I guess it looks fine and I did a good job. Now we are moving on to the pillows. I eliminated a lot of pillows, you guys, because these recliners, they don't give you much space for pillows. I feel like if there's one pillow on the chair, you're literally falling off when you sit down. So I had to just try to eliminate a lot of the pillows, which saddens me because y'all know I love my pillows, but I think that they turned out really well and it looks as, springy as much as it's gonna look. Plus, I have kids, they're home for spring break, summertime is coming. I don't want to just crowd the couches with too many pillows. I want everyone to be comfortable. So okay guys, so this beautiful candle warmer lamp, it was sent to me by, I can't even pronounce the name, but I'm going to spell it, TRTYLDT, and it was sent to me by them and asked if I can review it for you guys. And y'all know I already own a candle warmer lamp and I absolutely love it. But y'all, this one is so pretty. It has like a little glam factor. It has the wood and everything. Y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. It is absolutely beautiful. And they packaged it so well. Like it wasn't broken or anything like that. And I just appreciate that. So here it is, you guys, in all its glory. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the black and all of the like the wood feature, and I also love like that dome circular shape of the shade, or the dome cover. I couldn't get that out. It is adjustable and it has its own like plug-in feature. You can dim it. You can go to the lowest dimmable light or the highest, and it also has a timer, so you could set it to for 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours. I have mine on 2 hours, and you put a candle under there of your choosing, and it just smells the entire room up in it. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. It's also very affordable, you guys. I will have the link down below for you guys where you can go and shop this lamp on their Amazon store. And yeah, let me know down in the comment section if you guys are liking it and what do you guys think. I love it, and of course y'all gonna see it in my videos because it is going to be on all the time. It also comes with 2 bulbs. I'm using one of them now, and then I have an extra bulb for whenever it goes out. So I am just really loving it. It is just, it makes the house look so beautiful, like an ambient lighting, and it also melts the candle so great, and I don't have to light it. Y'all know I have kids and I don't like to use candles per se, light candles in my home, so this was just great. So thank you so much for working with me on this video, and yeah, I hope you guys like it. And thank you guys for watching today, and I hope that you got some inspiration from this decorating with me for spring and for summer, because y'all know I am not decorating again for summer. This is it. So I hope you guys have a good day, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. I will see you guys next time. Bye.